What's going on, guys? It's Cam Gaming. Today we are opening 250k worth of pro packs. I'm so excited. Let's get ripping right away. No time to waste, guys. I will be showing you probably the highlights. I don't know, though. Bang. Not a good start there, but we got lots of time to make up for this. I'm pretty hyped. Bang. Okay, a 76 kick returner, Marcus Wheaton. Not bad, not bad. Third pack, bang. 84 Calais Campbell. What I'm talking about. Where are the elites? JK, I'm not that easy. Bang. 80 Kelvin Benjamin. Money back on the pack, guys. Money back on the pack. I'm getting hype. Middle, bang. 76. Next pack. Okay, a 78 safety. That might be close to the coins back. Ooh, a Keenan Allen collectible. Okay, alright, I see you. That's pretty decent. Alright. Not bad. It's kind of cool. Alright, let's get the juice back. Let's get the juice back, boys. Here we go. Come on. There's the fire. 75 Dante Fowler Jr. Holy moly. Ugh. These packs are not on fire right now. I need some hot fire, guys. Bang. Okay. Charles Tillman, Peanut Tillman, folks. Holy moly. Alright, Jordan Matthews. We need some fire. Where's my elites? Where are my elites, guys? Oh, haven't had a high rated gold in a bit. In a quick little bit, folks. Oh my gosh. So we're 100k in. No elites. Oh, okay. 84 Delaney Walker. And a Lawyer Malloy Legend collectible. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, I see you. Alrighty, eh? Bang. We need Latavius Murray. Not bad. He's running back. It's all good. It's all Gucci, guys. Bang. Okay, that is who we started the pack opening off with. This is not who I like to see, guys. We are, more than halfway done. No elites being shown. Come on, where's my fire, folks? Ugh. Come on, where are the elites at, guys? Everson Griffin, not bad at all. Where are the elites at? Hakeem Ayers, not fire right there, guys. Fire. Come on, ripping these packs. Oh, 84 Marcel Darius. Okay. Not at all, folks. Alright, 78 Marvin Jones. Not terrible. Where are my elites at? That's the main thing, guys. That is the main thing. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Come on. Bang. 77 Charles Tillman. Alrighty. 78 Alec Ogletree. He has a Team Hero card. But where's my elite? I've only pulled 2 elites this entire season. 0 on camera. And this is disgusting, guys. A few more packs. And we will end it out. Alright, Victor Cruz. Okay. But where are the elites at? Teddy Bridgewater, okay. Okay, I see you, Teddy Bridgewater. I see you. Where are the elites? Bang. 81 Matt Slauson, okay. Few more packs. Let's go, guys. Bang. We need elites. 81 CJ Mosley. Back-to-back 81. Is this leading up to an elite? No look, no look, no look. Bang. No update team. No update team at all. Alright guys, recap what we got. Let's see if we can make our coins back. So we got 84 Calais Campbell, not bad, third pack. We got 84 Marcel Darius, 84 Delaney Walker, tight end with that speed. We got 81 Everson Griffin, 81 CJ Mosley, 81 Matt Clausen. You can see the rest for yourself. A lot of not so fire stuff. Let's see what we can do.